हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर ब्लॉग। और आज का ब्लॉग बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि आपको पता है हम लोग आ चुके हैं रंजना के फैशन शो फाइनल में, और जो हो रहा है बन्नरघट्टा सेंट्रल मॉल के पास में। सो बहुत से हमारे जो सब्सक्राइबर वो आने वाले हैं, तो उनका भी हम इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। लेकिन अभी आपको बहुत अच्छी चीज़ दिखाएंगे जो कि है बिहाइंड द सीन, दैट इज़ मेकअप, विच इज़ द मेनली यूज फॉर ऑल कंटेस्टेंट। मतलब उनको यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद में उनका जो ग्रेस है वो और बढ़ जाएगा। सो देखते हैं कैसे इनका मेकअप हो रहा है। तो देखिए रंजना का मेकअप भी हो रहा है, और शी इज़ दी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, मिस जमुना।
I'm having a wonderful opportunity to have the wonderful hands on my face. Thank you.
सो गाइस, अभी रंजना का जैसे मेकअप चल रहा है, उसके बाद में हम लोग जाएंगे दूसरे कंटेस्टेंट के पास में। सो हर नेम इज
Hi, Sukanya here. We all are getting ready for the show. All the best contestants.
हाय प्रिया, व्हाट्स हर नेम?
Mala Krishna.
सो शी इज हर मेकअप आर्टिस्ट। यहाँ पे भी मेकअप चल रहा है। सर
रवि कुमार
विजय, रवि कुमार सर।
हाय।
ओके, सो दे ऑल आर मेकअप आर्टिस्ट।
Hi, I'm Sandhya Rao.
वाओ,
Yeah, this is such a wonderful and amazing. I'm Mrs. Sandhya Rao. And she's Asha. She's going to do all makeup for me, and I'm just getting ready for the show. Thank you.
so guys, contestants are very excited now, और since you know that there is two type of category is called Miss and Mrs. तो अभी मिस और मिसेज दोनों का ही मेकअप यहाँ पे चल रहा है। हम लोग 1 by 1 जाएंगे और थोड़ी बिहाइंड द सीन, थोड़ी स्नीक पीक देखेंगे। तो गाइस, नेक्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट इज,
Hi.
her name is
Bhumika.
so guys, meet Bhumika. She is one of the contestant in Miss category and she is getting
Ready for makeup. Hi, this is Padma here, and this is my model today, Bhumika, and she is getting decked up. I'm going to doll up her today.
oh wow, all the best to you guys.
Thank you.
थैंक यू। तो गाइस, अभी इतना ही नहीं है, और भी ज़्यादा है। तो यहाँ पे देखिए और एक कंटेस्टेंट है, वो रेडी हो रही है।
Hey, so this is Renuka and I'm Avantika and let's rock the show.
ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you.
तो गाइस, मेकअप करना इतना ईजी नहीं है। बिहाइंड द सीन आपको इसलिए दिखा रहे हैं कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मेकअप आर्ट इज़ द बिगेस्ट आर्ट। So guys, please meet Mr. Ram. He is also one of the viewer here.
My friend came.
Yeah, so he is one of the viewer here like me. He will also watch and enjoy. And guys, please meet Mr. Paul. He is this host. He is the organizer of the.
Namaste.
So guys, अभी हमारे साथ में है मिस लवली, जिनका अच्छे से हो रहा है लवली मेकअप, और ये उनसे मिलिए।
Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing good. And she is my makeup partner, Renuka Didi, and she is doing for me. And I'm so happy. I'm so excited for the show. Myra here. मैम ने ऑलरेडी मेरा मेकअप खत्म कर दिया है. Thank you for the lovely makeup, मैम.
मेकअप खत्म कर दिया है कि मेकअप भी स्टार्ट हुआ है? गाइस, लड़कियों का मेकअप खत्म कभी नहीं होता है। सो गाइस, शो का प्रिपरेशन बहुत धमाल चल रहा है, और यहाँ पे जैसे मैं ही देखिए मेकअप रूम में बैठा हूँ। सो रंजना इज डूइंग माई मेकअप, माई पर्सनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट। और देखिए नया हेयर स्टाइल दिया उन्होंने, तो कैसा लग रहा है आप वो भी बताइए। और उसके बाद बहुत ही अच्छा स्टेज बन रहा है। देखिए रंजना का लुक।
Hi guys.
So guys, meet supermodel of this event. मजा कर रहा हूँ रंजना।
You हो भी सकते हैं.
हाँ,
No, no.
सुपर फ्यूचर सुपर मॉडल।
So hi guys, as I've told you that this is a wonderful event of Glamorous Queen of India, and we all participate here to show the attributes, the personal individual personality. So all the best to all the guys.
Yay.
Over to you.
All the best to you guys.
Thank you.
So she is looking gorgeous, and she is from Mysore.
Yeah.
This is from Mysore, or Mysore viewer, please give more likes to this vlog. guys, meet our beautiful contestant. Her name is?
Neha Rajappa from Bangalore.
Okay. And her beautiful?
Hi. Makeup हुआ है क्या?
So she is Dhanalakshmi. She is making her more gorgeous. So all the best to you. So guys, the wait is over. He is the one who is only responsible for the particular show, and he is the choreographer. Meet Mr. Komal. He is the choreographer for this great event.
Hello, hi everyone. So I'm the choreographer for this event. So I wish all the contestants a very good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Renukesh, he is the photographer for this fashion event, and is one of the renowned photographer. So we'll also share the link details in this comment box. So please go and check his work. Right. So guys, meet Miss Seema Vasant, our showstopper. So guys, the wait is over. Our chief guest is here. Meet Mrs. Soma Mukherjee, আমাদের বাংলার গর্ব.
Yes.
So please tell ma'am
I
something
know
about
Paul Vincent for a long period of time, and it's been a pleasure always coming for your shows. I wish all the contestants all the best. My name is Soma Mukherjee. I am Miss Central Mall 2021. And I won 2018 and Mrs. Kannada. So I wish everybody all the luck, all the wish for all the best.
guys, meet my friend Mr. Kumar. तो गाइस अभी हमारा आ चुका है स्टेज, और यहाँ पे स्टेज मैं आगे दिखाता हूँ. नॉइज़ ज़्यादा है तो ब्लॉग नहीं कर पाऊँगा, लेकिन आपको रिकॉर्डिंग दिखाऊँगा. तो गाइस मीट हेलो मिस्टर पॉल, मिस्टर हैंडसम, Paul Vincent Productions.
So we are having the show now, so let's rock. All the
Yes.
best. Thank you, sir.
Miss and Mrs. Glamour's Queen of India 2021. I welcome everyone. Presented by Paul Vincent Productions.
ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ರಾವ್, ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Thank you so much, Sandy.
A very good evening to all of you. Namaskar, Bengaluru. My name is Ranjana Pandey and I am in the Mrs. category. Welcome all. Thank you.
Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That was some energetic introduction. Very incomplete. So on stage please, our organizer Paul, on stage please. Okay, so let's start with our title sponsors. I would request, powered by Vlog Iconic, I would request one of the members from the team to be on stage. Vlog Iconic, co-powered by
Can I get a space from there?
A lot of people are on way. I think Rakesh is busy bidding for a lot of customers Sunday evening, so that's right. Okay, let's start with the jury members. Okay, first up we have.
It's all lovely to see such beautiful people on Sunday evening. Good luck to all the contestants and thank you, Paul, for having us and my fitness partner, Varun.
Thank you so much, Varun. Okay, so these were our guests. We have more guests coming in because the shows are very incomplete without our guests and the jury members. Okay, so let's hit the floor. We have the second round in the Miss and Mrs. category. We have all the models who are going to join us in the second round and it is party wear. So DJ, hit it out.
guys, so finally the show is over and it was awesome. You will see in the vlog. Please do like, subscribe and share. और उससे पहले एक चीज़ और है, Ranjana is the what is that face icon? What?
Face icon of Glamorous Queen of India.
So she got this face icon award for the Glamorous Queen of India show. So please do like, subscribe and share more and more. और अभी हम लोग मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में अंडमान्स में, तो वो बिल्कुल मत मिस करिएगा.
I'm super excited for Andaman because see how many shows you can do, but travel is everlasting. So go ahead.
Thank you for watching. Nice. Bye. Hey guys, so I also got an award for hosting this show. I am also a sponsor for this, and my contribution will be through vlog. So please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.